Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your laptop feeling slow or laggy lately? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 5 quick and easy tips to speed up your Windows 10 or 11 laptop in 2025. No software, no upgrades, just smart tweaks anyone can do. Let's get started. When your laptop turns on, a lot of apps may run in the background and slow it down. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab, right-click, and disable apps you don't need at startup like Spotify, OneDrive, or Discord. This makes your laptop boot faster instantly. Too many apps equals slower performance. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Scroll through and uninstall programs you never use. Outdated software equals buggy performance. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Also update your graphics and audio drivers through Device Manager. Newer updates often include performance boosts and bug fixes. Less clutter means better speed and more storage. Some laptops are set to power saving by default. Click the battery icon in the taskbar, drag the slider to best performance mode. This tells your system to prioritize speed over battery life. Temporary files and junk can slow things down. Go to Settings, System, Storage, turn on Storage Sense, or type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and run it manually to delete temp files, recycle bin items, and more. And that's it. Just 5 simple tweaks to make your laptop faster right now in 2025. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more easy PC tips. See you in the next one.